All right. Welcome back, everybody. Thank you so much for tuning into another little episode of these pre-market streams in the morning. If you guys are new to these, we typically just go over some price action on NQ, see what happened overnight, see what we can do going into the morning. So let's see what kind of levels we have. Let's see what price can do. We typically make these pretty fast. Today we got no news, so price action is just going to be price action. Last night, we were outlining around here. There was a nice opportunity for shorts as we retraced into this little fair value gap, right? So price came down. Now we're looking at the Sunday open level. So Sunday is going to be, the Sunday opening level is going to be important. If we continue to hold below it, we're likely going to see some more downside in terms of taking that previous weekly low out. If we get back above it, then we can see a continuation to the upside. That's kind of the big point, the big pivot point that we were playing around right now, in my opinion. Let me see. Let me get some tunes going. Okay, cool. Alrighty, yeah, and 23,392.75 is another level to the upside that we're watching. That is the 50% of that previous weekly. I thought I put it on here. That's going to be 50% of that weekly wick. So that's another level that we want to watch for and see what we do. Let's see how price reacts to that level if we do come up over there. So let's see what we have. Yeah, so right now there is a big potential. So yeah, nice sweep of that liquidity. No continuation to the upside. Just hourly looks like it might want to take the outside of this. 4 hour still looks a little froggy. So going based off of the 4 hour, there's a possibility of us getting that downside of that previous weekly low. Let me see. I'm also typing up a little post for those inside the paper traders. If you guys are new, make sure you check out at the paper traders on Twitter, and make sure you check out that www.papertraders.io. That is the community that we have. We were working on building with Mr. Hayes, so make sure you check it out. We're posting crypto, posting all the stocks in there. Any kind of outline you can think of is going in there. That is how we are trading inside. So make sure you go check it out. Make sure you also check out on that website. There's a big red button that says View Past Streams. You don't want to miss that. Check out the past streams that we have done. Check out our track record. See how we're doing. See how we've done in the past. It's going to be the best thing you'll do for yourself. So Sunday open, right, like we said, is going to be that important level for now. Something to watch for. If we get back above it, we can see a continuation to the upside. This is on the 4 hour. On this 1 hour, there's a possibility of getting that outside right there. Given that we are so far down on this London sell, we do have a possibility of expanding to the upside. As if you remember our little, let me try to find that image, our daily plan, wherever that got left behind. There it is. I know we have it somewhere. Let's just take a look here. So our daily plan. We'll keep this as a reference for ourselves over here now. So right there's our daily plan. So we had Asian session do this, London session do that, right there, that manipulation. So there is a possibility of New York session getting a nice little continuation to the upside, given that we do displace above that. Sunday open again and continue from there. This hourly needs to close back above over here, above these levels probably. And then this 4 hour needs to get flipped up. Love a sweep with that previous day low, but obviously doesn't have to come right now. But at least now on the weekly, we do have a little bit of a wick to the downside. That gives us that chance of like, okay, we're more likely to go down than not. On the on cryptos, take a look what we had on cryptos. It's a dip right now. So if you're not in anything, if you're looking to get in, I would say you are better off buying the dip than waiting. say, yeah, there's a strong possibility of everything just completely retracing back. But the way that they are doing it right now, I think this is a good opportunity possibly for some okay longs, especially how early on in the week we are and how we opened up on that weekly candle. I would say this would be a decent enough point to possibly buy into a continuation to the upside. Would be a better or than if you were buying up here somewhere. All right. On that note, they'll probably do it. So you make them short and sweet. So make sure you guys are always checking out www.papertraders.io. Check that out. That's where we're posting a lot of outlines on crypto, on anything else. Posting those outlines before anybody else gets them. So make sure you go check that out. Make sure you check out at the Paper Traders on Twitter. That's the best way to stay updated with us and what's going on inside the community. Any updates that we're posting, any new tools that are coming out, anyone that we're partnering with, and any little things that we're doing on our live streams. Make sure you also check out at Hayes Beats. Give them a follow. When we get them to 3,000 followers, we're going to do a nice little giveaway for a lifetime membership for the Paper Traders. Make sure you go ahead and give it a like or just follow him, turn on your post notifications because we'll post updates through his page. Make sure you're always giving me a little follow, a little like. When we get me to 3,000 followers, like I said, I'll just quit my job. And when we get these streams to 100 to 500 concurrent viewers, we're going to do another giveaway. That's going to be for some merchandise. It's not out yet. It's just going to be exclusive for those that are in the giveaway. We'll ship you a hat, ship you a hoodie, whatever you want, t-shirt, pants, a tote bag, whatever you want, so you can go to the farmer's market. You just let us know. Other than that, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for hanging out. And also, one more thing. Make sure you check out Blowfin. That's what we're using to trade those pairs. That's at Blowfin on Twitter. You can use the code Hayes or code Eddie. Get yourself signed up with a nice little code. But other than that, that will be it. Have a good day.